Hi everyone, good morning. This is Iben. I'm sending this video to address some of our needs right now as core members. And the first thing I want to mention is about our welfare. How are we doing outside camp? How is Lagos treating us? For those that are based in Lagos, it's not going to be a lot of problem for them because they know how to find their way around Lagos. For those that are coming into Lagos for the very first time, I trust we are getting enough support to navigate our ways around Lagos. And also, I trust we've gotten a place to stay, if not permanently, but temporarily, probably friends, relative, or fellowship houses. If you haven't gotten a place to stay or an accommodation for now, please try as much as possible to reach out to your fellowships. RCF, I know they have a family house. I know NCCF has family houses where you can stay for now. If you're a Muslim, I believe they have family houses too where their brethren also stay. So please try and get yourself a good accommodation so you can get settled uh, as early as possible. For your PPA, please, I know some of you have been going to your PPA to get your to submit your posting letter. There are three responses you are likely to get in your PPA. You get likely to get accepted, likely to get delayed, and likely to get rejected. So number one is yes, number two is hold on, number three is no. Now, if you are getting a yes, good, and if you like the PPA, take their after you get accepted, please go straight to your local government to register yourself. For the registration, please tell them you belong to the Sustainable Development Goals and your day of CDS is on Thursdays. For hold on, please try as much as possible to check on them as much as possible so that you are not forgotten. And hold on might lead to either yes or no. If it leads to yes, take the offer, go back to your local government to register. If it leads to no, yes, take the rejection letter and go back to your local government as well. They will guide you on what to do. But if you have request letter after getting a no, you can take your request letter from any other organization or company you have the request letter from with your rejection letter from your initial PPA. Go to the local government, submit them, then you get posted to a new local government or to your new PPA with request letter. If you don't have a request letter, just take your rejection letter and go straight to your local government. They are saddled with the responsibility of posting you or finding you a new PPA. And also for your CDS activities, right now I gathered information that CDS are on hold for now. There will be no CDS meetings for now, but local governments are still open for your registration, which means you can still go or walk up to your local government authorities as far as the NYC is concerned to do your registrations. Please take the opportunity of this time that there isn't much work because of the coronavirus issue and get yourself registered. If you are fortunate, if your PPA is an organization that is still open and they can take you right now, please utilize this time to get yourself accepted, go back to your local government, finish all of your registrations and get yourself settled and prepared towards when functions and activities return back to normal. And we pray it doesn't take too long for everything to be restored to normal. As regards your platform and every other things you need to do, I will send other videos in subsequent time just to guide us. But the paramount thing now is for you to get settled, your accommodation, your PPA as soon as possible. So please get yourself a PPA as soon as possible. Get yourself registered in your local government and get settled. So once you are well settled now, when the time comes for work to start, then you can start going around your your platform, and we can work together. As regards our training, we are not done yet, and by next week we devise a way. We will likely use the online platform whereby we release videos on the remaining part of the training if physical gatherings are not feasible right now. So we explore the internet right now and we try and do a lot of videos. We try and after watching the videos we have group discussions. And please, the class reps should let me know once everybody's added to the page so we can kickstart some of the activities on the page. So please and please, a recap of everything I've said: get yourself settled in terms of accommodation, get yourself your PPA as early as possible. get yourself relaxed, get yourself settled. If you need help navigating your ways around Lagos, please ask the right persons. Don't get or don't be a victim of social vices in Lagos. Know where you are going. Don't lose guard anywhere you go in Lagos. Be careful, stay on top of your game, and I trust and believe you're going to enjoy your stay in Lagos. So if you have questions, if you have anything you want to say, my DM is open. You can always ask me questions, and if there are questions I may not be able to answer, then I will refer you to your schedule officer. But because of the load of workload on her and the stress on her right now, I wouldn't advise that you bother with a lot of questions right now. So if there are things that are beyond me, there are questions that are beyond me that I may not be able to answer, then I will refer you to the schedule officer. Thank you everyone, and have a good day.